Hello everyone and welcome to Lavender Blue. I'm Fiona. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please hit the like button and leave a comment, as this helps my channel and I love to chat with you all. I would also love it if you would subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. You can also find me on other social media platforms and I would love to connect with you there. My link is always in the description box below. Now, let's get creative. Hello everyone, it's Fiona here, and I have the cutest little thing to show you today. This is a micro mini journal. This is a new printable in my shop and it's just so cute. It's the first tiny journal that I have designed and put into my shop, and I really love it. It is so cute. So I'll give you a quick flip through. When you get the kit, you actually get two different covers, so you can make two little journals out of this kit. You can just print out the pages a couple of times and the ephemera. And so this is the front cover of the one that I've made, and I'll show you the kit in a minute. This is the back cover, and then I have a little pocket at the front with a tiny little journaling card with a butterfly, and they're blank on the back. I haven't printed on the back, and that just goes in there. If I can get it in, I'll put it in afterwards. And then there's a slant pocket with another little tag and journaling card, and it has page tabs. It has 3 tabs, one here, and one here. And then I have a little card that I've turned into a pocket, and I've put 2 more little cards in there. There's a teeny little postcard and another little vintage card. And then I have put one of the little envelopes over the top of this page, and it has a little piece of writing paper inside, and that is a little piece of lined paper. So I've just put that one over this page. Then we have this page with the little rose, and then we have a library pocket with another little tag inside. And this page is a pocket, and I have a journaling card in there. I have a little side top pocket, again a slanting pocket with a card and a little tag inside. Then we have just one that I've glued down, and you get 3 of these tiny little labels, and there's another journaling card there and another little envelope. So I'll just pull this off. I have a cute little envelope there, and I have put a little card inside there. It's hard to get out because it's so tiny. That's another little postcard in there. And so that just goes over the page. I can't remember which page I have it on now. You can put these things anywhere you like. I've turned this into a little side tuck, and there's a couple more journaling cards. And we have another envelope here. And there's a piece of paper, a couple of decorative papers that come with the kit, and I've just torn it out and made a little side tuck. And I have another one of the little coin envelopes in there. and that is it. Cute little journal. And so I'll show you the kit. So in the kit you get 2 different covers. And here they are here. That's the outside cover, the inside covers. And then there's a couple of extra pieces of some rose paper and some striped paper here to decorate your journal, and you can use them any way you want to. So these are the 2 covers, and then you get this page here with all of your pages, and you can print them out as many times as you like. And this is all of the ephemera, which I don't know if I'll use it all, but I will use some. So you can make 2 journals out of this because you've got the 2 covers, and you can just print out the pages twice, and you could print this out twice as well if you wanted to. So I have cut all my little pieces out, and I'll show you how this goes together. So first the cover, and it's a good idea to score all the folds. So I'm just going to use a ruler and my embossing ball tool, but you can use the scoreboard as well. So we want to score here, 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 here and here. Just everywhere where there's a line. So we've got the 2 little spines here. And this one. And then we're just going to fold it on the lines on the scores. So it's like this, and we just simply fold it in half. Mine's a little bit crooked. And it goes together like this. So that's our cover. And I'm just going to glue it, and then I'm going to ink all the edges. You can use a glue stick. Try and get it as straight as you can. And if you have any little bits hanging off, you can just give it a little bit of a trim. And I'm just going to ink all the way around those white edges. There we are. So I'm just going to put the cover aside to dry now. And show you how the pages go together. So once again, we want to score. It just makes it a lot easier to fold it straight if we score first. So we've got the 3 strips of pages, And I'm just going to go ahead and score them all on the fold lines. And once I've done that, I'll be back. Okay, so I have scored all of my pages. We have that one, this one, and this one. Now this one here with the pink on this end, this panel here is intended to be glued to the inside front cover like this. So we need to leave this one loose and not glue it, because it will be glued into there. So we fold that one up, and then we just fold the others in a concertina style like this. So we'll be gluing these together on the back. Okay, and when you've done that, you'll have this. Now for this page, which goes with this center one, I'm going to fold it forward and I'm going to join it like this, and then you can leave this part open if you want to make a pocket, which is what I did. So I'm just going to glue around these three sides. So we have a little pocket page. And then I have a little paper punch, a little circle punch. And so I've used this just to give me a little notch there, so I know that it's a pocket and it's easier to get things in and out. So I just punched it like that. And then we've got our little pocket there. So you're going to continue to fold them in the same way as the last one. And this one I'm going to glue together to this one the same way as I made the other pocket. So just gluing the three sides, and this green one is going to be glued into this back cover. and this is what you end up with. Got all your little pages, and you've got the front and back inside covers. We've got our 2 little pocket pages. So now we just want to get the cover, and you want to put glue all over the spine here. And I sort of run along with my fingers to make sure it gets everywhere. And then on the front and back inside covers. And then we're just going to put it into the center, the spine. Just line it up and glue the pages down. And you might just want to put a peg or something on here and let it sit for a little while until it dries properly. And there we have another cute little book. Open it up. These pages, a little pocket page, some lined pages, and then you can decorate this up with all the cute little bits of cutouts that I've got here. I don't think I'm going to decorate this one on the video, but you've got pockets, you've got things you can use as tucks, you've got envelopes, just as I showed you in this one. And since I showed you this one before, I actually have added some lace to the spine and a little bit of lace onto one of the pages just to add a little something. And then I put just a little piece of string for the closure. And then I just glued in pockets and envelopes and tucks. But it's so cute. It's a gorgeous little journal. And as I said, you can make 2 of them from the kit. So thanks very much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.